Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup and Hair by Caitlin. I just completed this really fun look for Easter for y'all. I really just wanted to do something fun because we're all in quarantine, and so I kind of just wanted to experiment with some pastel colors because spring, duh. And so I came up with this look, and I really love it. Like, I typically don't mix this many colors or whatever together, but I'm really satisfied, and so if you want to know how to get this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, so I just did my face off of camera because I just wanted to focus on my eyes for this video, but I will be like listing everything in the description and linking it just like last time, so if you want to like know what I use, then just go ahead and check that out. But I'm just going to be go ahead and getting into the eyes, and today I'm really excited. I'm going to use the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette. And I really want to do like a pastel look. So here it is. Isn't it beautiful? So colorful. So I really want to do like yellow, turquoise, and like coral. As you can see, I planned it out a little bit. I can just go ahead and start with this shade called which is like this bright coral color. I don't know if y'all have ever like heard of these, but they're like little makeup, like, I forgot what they're called, but like you just put your brush through this and like it takes out the eyeshadow so that you can like clean it and then just go back in with it. Really nifty. So I think what I'm going to try to do is like just blend the colors together. So I'm just going to like do the same thing on this eye. Just put it like all in my inner corners. And you see how I like brought it down, because right now I'm just placing the color, but I'm going to go back and blend it out. So I forgot to say that my neighbors have a pool and the kids have been playing in the pool all day, and I've been trying to film this video and I just can't wait any longer, so I'm going to try to minimize the background noise, but you'll probably hear some kids messing around in the background, and I'm sorry. I have like this big blending brush and I'm just going to like blend the edges out, and there's nothing on here. I'm gonna like deepen the color with this shade Suck. And it's just like a more orange instead of coral. So I'm just gonna take this and like blend it in the middle. So it made it like a little bit deeper. Definitely should have cleaned my brushes before this. I think this is clean. No. I'm gonna take the shade Wow, which is this bright yellow. And I'm just gonna like kind of like do like a windshield wiper motion right in the center of my eye. Okay, so my camera shut off. Still learning everything about doing all of this, but I'm going in with this yellow right in the center, like I mentioned, doing windshield wipers just to like blend out the edge of this like coral color. And like you see how it's blending with the coral and it's like going from coral to orange to yellow? That's exactly what I'm trying to achieve. I'm gonna go into the shade Cute, which is like this mint color. And I'm gonna, oh, powdery. But I'm going to put it in my, I'm gonna try to like work it in my crease, in my V, and see what happens. Oh. Now I'm going to go back in with the big blending brush. Now go back with this one. We're just building the color up. And then I'm gonna just keep doing the same thing. Blend, build it up, blend, build it up. Like I said, it's a process. I'm gonna try to step it up like I do. I'm gonna go into Lemon Drop, which is like a glittery yellow. And I'm just gonna like go over the center of my lid. See how it just like defined the yellow a little more? So basically what I've been doing is just taking the same colors, going over and over just to make sure that it's like as pigmented as I wanted it, and I've blended it all together. So what I did was go with and Suck like on the inner corner, and then I went in with Wow in the center and like blended that, and then I went in with Cute on like the outer V and blended that. And then what I did was go in with Brain Freeze and Cute and then blended those together so it was like a more pastel because it was looking a little too like green. So now I feel like it's more of like the mint shade. And then what I did was I took Lemon Drop and I just went on the center of my lid to have yellow as like the lid color. So now it's like a gradient of like the coral going into like an orange, going into like a little bit of yellow to like the turquoise color, and then like yellow being the lid shade. So I'm pretty happy with this. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did up here and just like take it to the bottom. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am a Jeffree Star stan. Love him. I'm going in with the like my blending brush that I've been using this whole time just to like blend out the edges. I'll like make sure it's as even as possible on both sides. Like obviously it's not going to be the same exact on both eyes, but just like pretty similar, and I believe it's pretty similar. So just to make it like pop a little more, I'm going to be taking the NYX retractable eyeliner in white and just line my waterline, and then I'm going to take it up here just a little bit. Also, I'm used to touching my eyes because I have contacts, so I know it's harder for some people to do that because it's a weird spot. Oh, I will be right back, and I'm gonna come back with mascara on. Okay, so I just applied the Wander Beauty mascara. Then I went ahead and applied the false lash on this eye, but I'll show you step by step what I do for this eye. And I'm using the ColourPop like faux mink lashes in the shade Chick because Chick for Easter time. I thought it was perfect. And look at how cute the packaging is. And look how cute this lash is. Like I really like how it goes like winged out. Like so it's like more wispy like on this end. And you can see like more of the eyeshadow look, which is perfect. And I use the Duo eyelash adhesive in white / clear, so like it's white but it dries clear, and you just want to like coat the band but not like that. You don't want it to be like clumps of glue, like you want it to be pretty like even across, just like a nice coat. And I let mine dry for a whole minute. I've been wearing fake lashes for like a couple years now, and I really feel like a minute is perfect. Like people say 30 seconds or whatever, but for me a minute is like perfectly tacky enough to get the lash on and for it to still like dry down. Like I think 30 seconds is still like a little too slippery for me, so I like to let it get like a little more tacky. but obviously you want to get it like as close to the lash line as possible to make it look the most natural to blend with your lashes. So I'm gonna try to do this like to where you can see. So I take it like this, and you just like, I try to set it in the center, and then place it on the edge. Like you want to do it like all the way over to the end of your lash line and stick it, and then do the inner corner. And then you want to make sure that it's on there. So I press it down, just make sure it's sticking on to the lash line. As you can see, like there's a little glue, but it'll dry clear, so it's okay. Yeah, that's how I do it. And then I let it dry for like a little bit, and then I'll go back and fix it. So let me know down below like what your family's doing for Easter this year. I know it's crazy with, you know, the quarantine and everything, but I hope you guys have a good Easter. But now I'm just gonna go ahead, take my tweezers, and I like squeeze together the lash band and my real lashes so that it looks natural and like it's blending with your real lashes. And then I kind of like take it and push it up. And there you go. Now I have your lashes on. And then I take my mascara and just kind of like go over my bottom lashes. And then blend it a little with the fake. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. And we can't forget highlight. So I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro palette in the shade Sarcophagus, which is just like, I like pretty like golden, kind of like a champagne color. Oh my god, that is blinding. I don't know about y'all, but I love highlight. And I'm just going to take my powder brush because it's a little intense. I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star lip ammo in the shade Glazed, which is like this really pretty gold, and it has like pink reflex in it. So let's see how that looks. Jeffree said like these could be used as like, the ones from like the summer collection can be used as like lip toppers or by itself. But I don't know, I'm kind of living for how this whole look came out. I experimented a little, I'm proud of myself. Okay, so the look is complete, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. Of course, gotta be on brand for this video. Jeffree Star. Ah, it smells so good. It's like the starberry. And then I take the span. And there you go. There's the completed look. Thank you guys for watching my second video. I really hope you liked it. I really encourage you to just go home. Well, I'm sure you're already at home because of quarantine, but since you're at home, then bust out your makeup, you know, try something new, play with some color, because it's fun. So, you know, tag me on my Instagram, Makeup and Hair by Caitlin, and show me your colorful looks, because I really want to see y'all play around with some color too. And stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you all have a happy Easter. Bye!